me, Cassie.
This is me, Zev.
From
Children Ministry Department.
Every Sunday, we have Sunday worship celebration. It always starts at 9 a.m. And we have online and on-site. And also, please follow our page, COG Madapdap.
Every Tuesday at Thursday, may night prayer po tayo. Magsisimula po ito ng 6 p.m.
See you, COG fam!
Every Friday, may gospel jam po tayo. Magsisimula po ito ng 5 p.m.
If you want to give tracts to others, welcome na po kayo. Our CLDP class will start at 1:30 p.m. every Sunday.
I-ready na natin po mga puso at isipan para makinig po sa salita ng Diyos. Once again,
It's me, Zev.
this is me, Cassie, from Children Ministry Department. See you
Next time.